Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I will be showing you how to send crypto from Coinbase Wallet to Binance. So to be able to do this, you just have to make sure that you have some cryptocurrency on the Coinbase Wallet. And if you select the cryptocurrency, depending on the kind of cryptocurrency you have, most of them require the native tokens for those crypto to be sent. And in this video, we're going to be working with BNB, which is the Binance Smart Chain token. So as you can see, I have some of the native token on my wallet. So now I am just going to be sending that native token from my Coinbase wallet over to my Binance application. So in order to do this, all I need to do is click on the send option, and then it will take you to a menu where you can put or enter the amount of tokens that you wish to send. So let's just put in all and just click on next. And now, as you can see, it's taking me to the address menu where I can simply add the address. So to be able to do this, just minimize and open up your Binance application. With the Binance application opened, just make sure that you have an account. But if you don't have an account of Binance, then just install or make your Binance account. So you also have to verify your account, and after that, after your verification, you can deposit some cryptocurrency on Binance by using the deposit icon at the top left corner of the screen. So just click on deposit and simply select BNB. So when you select BNB, just select the BNB network. So we're working with BNB Smart Chain. So you just have to select this token and then copy your wallet address, and then open up your Coinbase wallet. So from here, you just have to paste the address, and there, once it's approved, and you just have to click on confirm. And now you're met with the amount of tokens you can send and the gas fee or the network fee as well. So you just have to click on confirm once more. So put in the passcode of your biometrics, and you will find that your token have been successfully sent. So if you were to head over to Binance application, you have to perform a reload in Binance, and then after that, you will find that your BNB token are now available on the platform. So by performing the reload, uh, you will find the BNB token available here. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.